Mastering conversational phrases. Tell me about it. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often confuses learners. Tell me about it. Contrary to its literal meaning, this phrase has a unique role in everyday conversations. Let's unravel its mystery and learn how to use it effectively. Tell me about it. These words, in their most basic form, are a straightforward request for information or details about a specific topic. For instance, if someone says, "I'm studying marine biology," responding with, "Tell me about it," would typically signal genuine interest in hearing more about marine biology. In conversational English, "tell me about it" is often used idiomatically. This means it doesn't follow the literal request for information. Instead, it's a way to express empathy or agreement with someone's situation, often when discussing common frustrations or challenges. For example, if someone says, "The traffic was terrible this morning," and you reply with, "Tell me about it," you're not asking for details about the traffic. Rather, you're indicating that you agree and have likely experienced similar situations. The meaning of "tell me about it" can significantly depend on the speaker's tone and the context of the conversation. It's often delivered with a slight sigh or a knowing tone, indicating shared understanding or frustration. Recognizing the tone and context is crucial for correctly interpreting and using this phrase. Let's see how "tell me about it" is used in various scenarios. Complaining about weather. "It's been raining all week." "Tell me about it." "My garden is flooded." Work-related stress. "I have so many meetings today." "Tell me about it." "My calendar is packed too." General agreements. When someone shares a common sentiment or experience, using "tell me about it" shows that you relate to their situation. And there you have it. "Tell me about it" is a versatile phrase in English, used both literally and idiomatically. Remember, context and tone are key. We hope this video helps you navigate English conversations more confidently. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.